Because we are out of time. Oh no, last one. We'll just pretend the timer's still going.
Hey guys, it's Moose and Lauren here, back at you with another video from Spreadshop.com.
Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe below. Smash it. Smash the button.
You won't regret it. Anyway, so if you're new to Spreadshop.com, be sure to click the link below, open your own merchandise shop for free, make some extra money. Who doesn't like that?
If you already got a shop going, you're in the right spot. We got some tips and tricks for you today to merchandise to the limit.
To the limit.
To the limit of what? There's no limits.
There's no, the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit.
Yeah. Huh.
Anyway, so
Anywho,
today we are going to be playing one of the greatest classic games, Taboo.
greatest classic games ever.
The
It's
best.
a very niche category, great classic, but you got it.
We play this one in the office a lot and it gets really, really intense.
Yes.
Moose is going to read me 3 words that all have a theme, and there are certain words that he cannot say. Those are the taboo words. He's technically cheating if that happens.
I'll try not to say them.
You're probably going to.
They're pretty tricky. We have a little timer, old-timey Spreadshop orange timer. We're going to start that up and start the game.
It's going to be fun. Ready, set, go.
Wow. Okay, first word. Whoa. When people are in love for a long time, they do this with each other before they spend the rest of their lives together.
I'm thinking of some things that I don't think it's okay to say on camera.
I mean, this is a PG family show. Let's mix that up. You could, like, train cars, when they attach, they're becoming...
Interlocked?
This is very tricky.
Engage? Engage.
There you go. They engage with each
Okay.
other. Yes.
Okay. Well, TikTok time's running out.
Oh, God. This is like... Artists would say that they're doing this with their art, and when you make a design, you're kind
Promoting it?
You're talking from within. You're kind of like putting yourself out there.
Expressing?
Yeah, like I'll give it to you. Self-expression.
Okay.
Because we are out of time. Oh no! Last one. We'll just pretend the timer's still going. This is someone who's like savvy with making money, and they like
frugal.
They like want to go out on their own and try to start something. Yeah, like an independent, but like open a store, open a shop.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, there you go. See, we had time to spare.
Perfect. I didn't lose.
So, here's the challenging parts. We had entrepreneur, self-expression, and engage.
All right, let's see if I can figure out the theme. The theme. Okay. Well, when you're an entrepreneur, you want to express your brand in the best way possible so you can engage your fans.
Wow, that was borderline genius, because for me, they all just involved words that start with E. But I like your theme a little bit better. But yes,
that's creative.
If we take what you said,
expression, engage, entrepreneur,
rather than just my favorite letter of the alphabet, if we take what you said, yes, entrepreneurs can express themselves through merchandise to engage followers, engage fans, sell merchandise, earn more through your shop. It's just another extension of who you are as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. Your shop is a place where you can put your thoughts out there and sell merchandise to people who have like-minded interests. And it's a great way to do it. Easy to upload designs, publish to your shop, promote it.
All that good stuff.
All that good stuff. Spreadshop's where you want to do it. If you already have a shop, just get in there, start uploading designs. If you don't, head to Spreadshop.com, open a free merchandise shop today, and subscribe. Follow us.
Now.
We'll do more videos like this. We'll keep you updated on latest promotional things we have to offer. Stay tuned.
We have some good stuff coming, so.
Oh yeah. So, till then, take it easy.